Dua talanga ngau na leka ngo ke rona mai vese matitiku ane kina ke Nick Lewenilagi na itauke ni California Caregiving Training Academy. Au ke lani so ni sana rongo da tiku beka so beka sa ni wakaitabi na vuli ka mai wakaidora tiku na turanga ngo. Ia ena bina ka menda na veitalanoa kina and dua na ngau na leka nga ngo. Mai veitalanoa takitungani na veka so me baleta na kornivuli na academy na davasoti e rauni o ni vuli da kina davasoti mo ni na da kava veke mo ni o ni na via laki vuli kina totoka sa totolo sa ratiko na kena toso sa totoka tiko na kena toso na vuli ka wakaiduri tiko ngo ia na kena tukutuku mataila laini se matunga mai o tina serengo danangai oi sa tiko ngo turanga sa tiko ngo turanga ngas ni vuli menda sana veitalanoa saramandeani e na vuku ni California Caregiving Training Academy sa lewu sara na kena veitalanoa takitiko na numa ni vinaka me kero mai veitalanoa tiko ni kena me rauni na ve vakarara mata ki talitunga iani veke ni ka sesenga tiko mbeka ni se matata veke ni na dava soti manda e rauni una livuli da na vuli ka vakaidori tingo e ndondono mbeka au ngandreva mbeka me una livuli kina sesenga bula vinaka Nick.
Bula vinaka bula vinaka listeners.
Sandende. Viranga e rasenga i sema vau tiko mai ka rasenga tiko mbeka ni se turi ki muni vinaka o ke rauni ni ngai wakamadala teke ki muni matanga vira.
Dak, Nick tale mo mai na oroi se taviuni da un robe. Been in the States for about 20 years going. And lagu mai lau tino lango ki matika bukina me vuli ena vuli torak na San Francisco University USF did a master's there, came up and started on part-time teaching and we was involved in academy go and need to dispense takana vuli wir na caregiver se wir na wingaravi wir na adult community and need to go na Bay Area Sacramento working as a mission for the last 15 years we've been doing it. Naka.
Totoka wakoti. Nick, na kinabalambale o ira pakai tabi na vuliungo, na raunga ni binga rabinga i California, se rau talangani na laki wakanga takana Steve Kitingo i na vi state taliso.
Yeah, don't tarbi na goro. Sa singal tungan lang we weekend to. Sa no daru live tungan ko na last time we did this interview. Era sa avatar sa tungan Marshall Islands, sa Australia, sa New Zealand. Era messenger tungan we over na go messenger. O tungan we na kaya wakatagi California, sa nabuli wakatagi California. Era in the state of California. And the me giving certificates and the curriculum that we dispense to them and the training pertaining only to the state of California. But you can, once you get certified here, we currently caregiving that level say because since California is one of those richest states of the world, and na kena academy na wanta na we want to get lock in.
Totoka. Au biato mananga na kau di wakarita ka mengorini nindo tuku nitu California ke wakai ko sa vuli o sa rawata nindo na kai California e sa na kawalenga na vi ka ole waka oli sa sangataka na vi state taliso sen vi mate nitu taliso eroniko na baleta ni na titombu ke na ramba ilevu ni veka enda vuli de California. Do ngana kena wakarita ki ngo Nick kau wakambota ni na toto wata talanga kena na kamanda vira erna via vuli nasi vaya na state certification sena federal. Yo via wakatoto watanga ngo na kamande na insurance Ano ke sa baka leseni sa me da kama no leseni ni as an insurance agent in California ni onge la ko tale mo ngele sa sanga baka leseni tale nando tale na state o sa senga ni ngandreva mo lindambeda na vitorungia iko sana somanga o sana somanga merani ko lai daka si o baka ngataka na no mo leseni ke nando tale na state na ka e toka tu ki na nambulango i California ke na vika anda mai sa sanga taka tu i California Nick na bukunranga kara senga ni rongoda na nondaru veitalanoa, nondaru matai ni veitalanoa, au ke rea ke rau ni waka madala takamanda ni talanoa takamanda. E toi apu pakadava na California Caregiving Training Academy, toi apu pakadava ni na dava saramanda na nomu ni waka na nanu ka ni sama i waka i tavitukina na kena didhiwaki na kornivulingo.
Na ka rosarama to sen ne free rosarama ki ati bukina rona marama mai Sacramento ati buru chukina ni to edo fusu chukina Dixon mai bola ki Sacramento we anto tiga mai Sacramento ki to su mai Dixon to edo fusu ka ki to little to ki tongarabut na ke domingo so ngelo mai and then I came and enjoyed after I did my masters in 2010 so no 8 9 to remember kia ngami to to and ngano vakabotikira na bulingo someone interested kin I applied to them and I joined them because they needed to expand the so my joined to me ado biting mingo kito dispense ta na bulingo the curriculum is right from the state of California state mandated training so ko turun tika na buli ke embalatanga na certification ke ko tarong to outside or even overseas pero na kaunti buli da mai which mai to na bro to tensar ngai ke but that you're going to allow you're going to rights in the workers compensation and things like that we learn good to about tabuli to we do this ram na we no tale so they mandate ngono ko kala men don allow to on February na sa yutiko that every in-home care service that we provide has to be mandated by the state of the maternity state you know HCA annual renewal on a home care aid so now we become more than caregiver we are certified as home care aides. So it gives it a professional thing to our caregiving name. Ya, tamu tu tahu me bakal tak me. Anto na Steve kin go number no tak lo mani bal bingaran. Lagu na February. So ke ko sa mercho man dengan di Steve kita you watch that for. We're na nurse ra ko tino wango visit take care of the patient. Every Wednesday our nurses visit, we're PT na OTs. We're go there now they're coming because they're representing the state. We're telling her tarong have you been certified? They're tarong yung guys living to so sambag itinam living to so all each other without any training without any certification you have to be certified rather allow kaya siyang autonomo tamtago even in now they want chill up now kaya ko apply ta kanto na job ni caregiver whether you're from the agency or an independent or a private because it's more registered in the California whole database of caregiving, right? Correct. It's on website so much $35. I'm going to get registered there, PIN number indicating that you are a caregiver in California, and when you are registered there, have to be certified. You have to be trained. Someone can work. An example of those little window number. So she worked really good. A couple, 200 living after 22 years. So she must have had very good experience. Lago talo ko to have giri agreement no family la tole next job. On the other interview next job we love your experience. I have been not going to you work 22 years. We can give you this job. But have you had any training, any formal training or certificates to na maramoko? Unfortunately, I don't have any training. So I've been giri extra mo ko training. And they said my name and the very next Saturday she was there at my doorstep trying to earn a certificate. That job was waiting for her. She walked right back into it. So without any certification, we're going to add value to us. We've got good experience, but without any formal training and very kind of marketability value in a like instead of you promoting on your own, right? Through your experience alone won't count these days. We have to have that piece of paper.
Totoka bakoti. Ni taka ni saroni na we baka ungeti tiko ya au ke la ni dona ka dondi ba ni ke me do matanga ngona me dona ka me daka me roni kila me kila ina wili ni kriviti sama caregiver tiko ngo sama daka tiko i California se America todo comanda o te amenge vindo vindai o tona state ngo le vida toka tongo me do manda na database vaya meroni to wiki lai tiko kina to kila tikina vida baleta na oronika ni sanda lewu na sangole mai da samai caregiving so sarangai tostale baka ke mami sangai tostale kina so tale na vitambana so ni vengera via roni do tokaya na kaiviti todo ko ngole mai
Yeah.
Butu ki merika mai, gona bono tuna mai teko bukena, tomi tau ia bukena, vunga ve, like maybe 95%,
Right,
Iyo,
right.
veke anda
Absolutely.
na ito ke inda ngole mai, inda mai
Yeah.
tau ia buwa caregiving.
Kaya mo kaya right.
And it's something.
Didn't normally was we've got to do a study like that. Yeah, no database. I keep the database of people who gone through our academy. Now we also to educate tago to certify tago to wale liman andraw. Na ngoni ni bitim na caregiving ke. Sa wala to hit tago na dundun. But sa lao to kango. You know that training lao to. We do module 1 and then we go to module 2. You see the same face of module 1 coming on to module 2, going on to module 3. See, and on they will also I kept a whole database for them in my computer, and I just keep tab of them. Well, on database, got you messenger group. You see their names.
Yeah.
People that you keep adding on there because they have been certified. And when they go, and we back them up, when give the messenger, we do it. Now, we are relieve, like messenger, because I've got so many names. Under the database that I can ask, I don't know jobs, that you can fill up a relieving wire. So the agency don't wrong with wire. Keep a database of people who are trained or trained to a group of relievers, especially those 2 days. So I have a database of relievers. Of certified relievers only. Kaya ko bang job messenger kami yo. O pika na sulingan ni ko na tama tako sa train the kids. See, in that way, half your job is already done. You don't have to teach them around. O sa train ta chuan into a group of relievers. No we bana no relievers messenger kami. So place the piko. And the piko has already been done all the legalities of the certification, all the training to undergo your relieving work.
Totoka bako timbalatian dona kanrenre nando bangara relieve ai. Iyo, wangara reliva o tia lewer sando river bita kamandanga na sulia non radakadaka sa tuna ngangandre meradengu. E sona kai lako mai sona kai ngandre merangole kina iyo sando dina saranga sando ndre mandanga na non rambiuta na non radakadaka baleta ni ando keni sa utunga mai ni dutu kuna ni off manta mai la komenta mai ando keni sa utunga mai sa sarana reliva ya dua ya keni kerua senga usa riba bita kasaranga mi ko tatale mai ndoi kena no kata kai ya dona ka oro ni kai ni rauni da nuinde ke baka mentu ela ko yani me sa vitar tarani bat ke muni sa ambiu mai dona reliva ni reliva ya sana baka tawuli taltinga se sala ko tikuna veitalanoa mai na academy go le reliva nga kila etiko na non devindo kai that you are not going to steal their job
Absolutely.
But ya ando talanga na lenga libu
I have to begin to weekend having put a job, and it's right. A lot of people do that. That's what we tarong of you now on the nika. I was like, to say, device about a runa can bimbi, but the cook into and put a job where you feel at home while you can go on your breaks. We need people to go on their breaks for going to allow bungos have one and a living. And some people still doing it for 5, 6, 7 days, 8 days. Go sa banga na singa. Rete ki ko reliwo ki ko ka agency go. Asulnga bi ko banga na singa. Ilun do lim to na singa go sa ba. Non rebina ka tamoda mo break. Tulo singa mo break.
Kenang bimbi.
And bimbi ni no ka mo break. And that's sa tunga ni be break mo sa kila. We're gonna lose our job, right? When we come back, people might steal our job, right? And do na sal gitu sa kiti wais by contracting them, right? Kito ngon module 1 kena tarang sa ulis kena module 1. We have a program in there called defining a contract for your work, trying to do a contract. The contract ko may bango. Yung sa hitangan do na job mo, o iko mo tikim boss unro sen tax sa rumro contract, right? So the bango, Mr. Ken Doty, Mrs. Jones, I always call all have clients. Yung unro sen tangan na contract, o iko client wat unro data, client signature, caregiver signature, ilong unro data. It becomes a legal binding contract na numero. Yung sa hita ka ng job voya. Pero kapag ka ng agency, na agency wants to place you there. Pero na you can fill ta na form na register or sign ka kay biju ka. But there's a chun rabin jinjin na chun rabin na client. But kaya ko nakataka don't do, which is a lot of us. Nakataka independent to or private contractors. They're private. And I teach them how to do a little one-page contract. Pero kay senta so it does not. Ningon ito to let's see, because ang girame ko bago, di ko may relieve on for voice to book lokay. Yung lokay no kitarong gas sir after 1 day or tarong gas. Pwede ko sum chuko biuna. To no gas $200. Okay, guys, why don't you kick one off and just give me 150? They love to save money. They love to, pay
Who
less.
doesn't, yeah.
Bill ako no iko na singa money to una take a bill can and go. We're gonna give a go. No, why? Because no, I'm paying it too much. I'm gonna pay Nick only $150. See, you're gonna sing that into Nakava because your hands are tied in that way, right? You didn't sign a contract with Sarava. But now, once they sign a contract, no, I can't fire una because una and I will sign a contract. I can say umengo, right? Kewelito say some boy is in now, Sarava. I get on a contract number with the put all the job. So Tali Taxar is a divide and explain that to them. That's what they go through in module 1.
Yando saranga ka bimbi baleta ni hiyo. Lenga lebu ito pakila tiko na kenda to malio.
Right.
Na ito ke into to sa may daka tiko ko. To taka ba ko ti vida na module andor tara sarmandea ni na bika vuli di na academy Nick.
Well, we through your module to dispense on module 1, which is the HCA home care aid annual renewal every year.
So na module ke dengo era renew taki na biambaki mo ba ko takatiko?
Kongana module 1. Na HCA is called the HCA annual renewal. Kembali renew taki every year. Taran kona November tara November talamia. So the same fonga renew taki. Me 1 year na kira annual renewal. Na module 2 and 3 renewed every 4 years. Toro palabuto kana kada content biro 30 hours in the 15 to 15. Instead of training all together mo kitara. Isa taram na module 2 step ko na module it's called the professional training and certification. You become more professional, inclined towards your CNA, towards na pulta lo gebele tarani chia. Especially module 3 which a lot of memory care and Alzheimer's and dementia and around care go kito la ucho. Practical to go kito la ucho lots of practical dore to kani tabel do kito la Hoya leaf, all kinds of transfer. With Titi, we were just training. Nick, do you implement it in your training? Titi was just asking me the question a couple of days. I said, kito all over Sarava itam. Hoya leaf, na manual transfer, gate belt transfer, sliding board transfer, commode, wheelchair, all kinds of transfers. May number that was such. The lorry, at vehicle transfer, how to put your client in, all that. Kaya Sarava na exercise that covers module 2. Sarava na vasa sanga, CPR, basic CPR, pulmonary resuscitation, and the wood in the Boy Scout, the Girl Guides. CPR, and then after na fixing quick, easy fix meals for seniors. So go to number 3, ni ko kailangan na basa karito, siya ang goron ke, musin ke gas.
Hindi na kay biya kanya talagang gas.
Hindi ko na basa ni basa karito karito sa ketumong gas. Jim, you cooking curry to sort of Jim, yes. Ingon sa kadi chugino ko ke rocket level Jim, like kamakin na katang gas, turuta level limbulo. But then sinikan no ko wala katri mo matinom gas. Baltan sini kan kakana so the quick exhibit or to what to do 3 or 5 meals with tali takana sakara the sample it and then we go through it. Then module 2 and module 3 is more memory care. Kasarana 95% of all our senior clients will go up to it to have a memory, some sort of a memory malfunction. In the twilight days, 80s, 90s, I'm talking about 80s, 90s, people. Cognitive to the study of module 3. In-depth studies and dementias and Alzheimer's, plus memory care. And then we have a roundtable. At lunch, we have a roundtable caregiver support group. Like a AA meeting. Like a AA meeting. We're a drug and alcoholic anonymous. It's just like it. So we sit around, but we call this a caregiver support group. You can tell no taxaram and then the room when we individual work, and then we find a solution. We talk about the solution. We even cried together. We talk about it. Caregiver. We should not boyfriend, we girlfriend, we were team. The support group it's a close care. Everything that happens in here ends in here. So to work a solution. So I'm put on the job for a long time. That was such that was such so that was such with a close group. It's a support group for caregivers. We are free to talk about anything. But the Kaya to solve that goes up. And they love way to module 3. So that is basically what our module stands for.
Totoka bakoti. Kena bali ni kaya kain dua sa duru anime tiku bu na module 1. Watiasa nangai bakatau nga bu ai via toso kena module 2 and 3.
Module 2 or 3.
Dua bakatau nga Kena bali duin na duru.
Orang na matenga 120, orang na rua tu lumbal teri level in-depth study 15 hours. Sa 150 euro 150 each.
Rua. Oi, 150 each.
Yeah, 150 each, Module 2 and module 3.
Ia senga ni kei na ki sara mer tu vita ravi na nona taura na module.
Le will be vitara round. If I'm doing module 1 this week, module 2 next week, module 3 are chala ko tro mga ba do. Ele will be so viro ano charla ko mantal na ka bersali libi. So no jo cher to drong ona ke nik ngono taptela module to rage taro mai. Ono vato chuka na ono refreaking. Rage me join. Rage chuka we na announcement. Ona suitable viro la ko. Yemo la ko nga ba ka blocks.
Totoka wakaoti, ni wakaronga te mengori vei Nick Lewenilagi and buku ni Vuli kasama i wakaidhuri tiko na korni Vuli na California Caregiving Training Academy. Sama i ambaki tini wakadadai na kena didi tiko ngo. Tini kalima na kena didi tiko ngo. Viki mni o ni na o ni aloma taru takatu o ni taka ni sana matata viki mni na dhawa soti rao ni o ni na vulida and na muni na laki vuli na korni vuli o ngoa endo wakai dhuringa na visinga wakaroa i nike.
Iyo, sure.
Wakaroa nga, kina balambali rabi tartaranga ni watike kia mni kia waka enda savia vuli?
Besin jangan mai viongor, ona ke bukta kan na landa. Mena ke salah seramik. Aku zara. Anybody who's above 18 years old, la mai bicara ni grup.
Wakadava tiko na pepa se senga.
Tiko na pepa se senga. Bagitin kawalu nga kini dulu nga just be over 18 so you understand what I'm talking, you know what I'm sharing.
I will always ask that question. Na vekali levu na vekala lai enda mai dhakawa tungo okay la ni so and era tu ngara riba bitu na toso era mai tu re tu. Baleta ni se senga tiko na pepa ia au ni takatelanga ni sana beba kandita ki tiko yana ni veitalanoa e ne kawi ni kua tiko na pepa se senga e rawa nga ni ndua na nomu certificate na buku ni vuli ongo ia ni ke wotinga na vuli bango na kamanda module 1 sa sarturi certificate saranga
Iya, taro otinga na vuli sa mamanga ni walo na matakalilay kina ya tiko na mamang dua si rua ke balam sa na rua matanga kina na rua include kina ngunti tiko na ni break tea break around 10:30, whichever single level at 1. But mentana no mutiko na baleta ni kau go to baka kai tiko dito na pep si na pep. We tiko mantanga na no mu training na no certificates. Baleta no interview one the private jobs in donaka. You sa register to wana tada business California, you become legally A1. A caregiver can karosa ke tiko no certificate. Oira, the lord of the family all they care. They don't ask you whether you have papers or not, right? Keta kan tarere tsunga ko ga tax the one. Once you come to the light, no la komena wana kona buli na ke set tagina ulum, pero tanto lo le wana sona rara. Yes, is what we Fijians do putu kira rotu kina. We are oppressed in the darkness of what we shed in our own head, right? Ke kanga o la komena rara mo na buli na rara mo tagi. Ona gero ke sona di degree de la ini kan don tumo sa tur kila sona taro di so mero tu. Pero komi ke no ke mo taro come into the light. And we got people experience we talk about. I'm talking about people that have been in the job for 10, 15 years. But I gain, see, I learn a thing or two from their experiences when they share, which contributes to the learning and studying of everybody else. Adult learning, I like.
Indona katu ndo malu tiki na nik na do le taro tiko na vanua e seng ni ndo mi to taro kina se bua ndua ka seng tiko ni se kila na ndina to doko o te atonge le vi muri tiko bakana matamboko nga ve liu taki tiko ve erto na matamboko ana kai bibi kina me tona vakasangara na tukutuku na ve vakarara mataki ana kena vanua dondonu na vanua kila ni rauni na soli kina vi kona tukutuku ka senga ni ona kila ni na vakatamba ki dua kina dua na tiki na zindo na yasana na kena soli mai ni tukutuku ana kai totoka tiko kina na tostos ngona veitalanoa go ninge veitartarea ni vatike nika ko yana otinga na vuli sa turtaranga na mu certificate ana vida na mother sa otini ke to mai veitalanoa ke na dua na lawyer and Asian Law Caucus mai na goena dona campaigner to vakaidor na Ethnic Media Services ngai vakatamba kin dua sarangana ni to veitalanoa membaleta na caregiving ko via vakandita katalanga ni ke o via wasia talanga yani na dona kai wasia ko o vaka pepa se senga na dondonu na nomu dondonu vaka caregiver toto vata keve regardless
Na kai una the thing is le weekend ba go no ya to me ba go tiko re tiko especially when this no ba ye men da kila mo mate mo ka ko sin ba iko mo kila na county o tiko kila re da mo to wali this is what singa ask them o kila iko kila na county o tiko para bi re I mean Sacramento county se ko so no mago ko na the county ko tiko centros kadra chuna Sonoma county so na Sonoma county ko govern ta ki ken da chiko ngai mo na state of California ko man ta ko re ni ko ke dona leng e de ya to me kali na state of but ko santaro sa so mi vale so motoka you can become a legal resident of Sonoma County, you know, legal, not a legal of Santa Rosa, because your city can change of Sonoma because it's a county, it's a governing county, right? So you become a legal resident of Sonoma County. Now, allow it in na pulo, 6 months. Now, no tweak sa apply ki dibi ko na allow me balik Sonoma County. So na welfare, ki o tiku look o mabuana eba mo ko apply ta na county welfare, right? So libi ko na lawo. Ira so libo sa tuni kila, but there's a nila ko na buliwa ko mer tatolo ki do bon. See, this is because we studied through the county, ke munisram na federal backing. Right? So na Sonoma County ka involved ki how tinga ki onna polo nam tiki. You become ko sa ke bono go sarto. Sa ke Sonoma County. Dik sa so mi wala bimbi no sa so mi wala so talwod. Aga ka talo ki na DMV. They need for you to be having a bill sa so mi bill jiko. Kila ben ka no talwod, ben ka no bank account. Bi ko sa chiko do bono sa pay rent. Pero kila no sa ke bono.
Proof of address.
Ele sinikila. Si tu we can dar ko. We have the right to apply. Ki sa singa no mo job. O no job ko caregiving no job ako may baka na COVID. Kila kimi mo kimi apply tago na COVID welfare. Ngon kimi sita kata kina ni COVID. Basta ako chiki. Kimi sa ambagi sesi tuiki. Si so iko na apply tago na welfare di county go. You qualify for it after 6 months na.
Totoka.
Vina kun.
Ono ita kanisa na matata tiko ya le usar na kaironi na veitalanoa takitiko and veitalanoa na kabini kua sa tombo ki kenda rokos tiko ngona nik sotal na ka ni bewa sea.
Iyo limu tu nakai no nakai lakukan ngona ina limu na taro minta tongkai bakari ita pabida kapag dito dom tak ko bina kaya na tada piece mata ngau sa keep in tech tak so kaya kaya suna agency of rock cuma if you need trained relievers we have relievers especially da tong bangon sa limu bangon season ni buleng ngunu tun cikon dono ko kay ni ko asibe na kami ko na buleng
ngunu
you need people you know mo trust ka mali relieve ko ningin dono pita ni kaya mo sa aso tagi ko na mo na kirun taro musay mo sa uru pitri ka taro boy sa sendo na mara mo sa trick ko so you can go with the heart that you know when you go like party le ngunu le mai execute ng nom job to ka sa kla na contract right the main thing na contract ko mo sen na contract but safeguard ta na nom dagala ko lang we ba turuberto da
vina ka sen wala nga nito sa bakila tingko na buleng batambata na buleng ngunu talenga me ba karita kiti ko ningo do tal na taro nike berni me dava no dorvital no kila eso era daka tiko era nadambeka na numdo rai na dambeka era ni daka baleta ni kilaya indona lenga lebu talituk nga kan do tal nga na kai ado era ni na baka alo lele tak na tomata do tal na kai ro ni kota mai na veleti na vedadati nindo e daka tiko kama dia sa daka tiko eksatur tiko iko etol nan rauli masanga bulu so mitiko kina o tia eksangi bangrama indona muriliva sa maku to ko me mai veso so mitaki o ikunge so mi ko nga ronan dollars indona rauli masanga we are not paying them the full amount ko iko so mi kino iko na lomani rosanga bulu ka baneo e dambe ka ro ni toda ka bekia
ado mo kalibuna ko ngono ko de chuo bi kami na usabi na katara ko e ruosra na isu ngore la chuo me bi ngon ke ngani wuli o sa gitu ni to renta sanga that's why we are training this group of relievers ni mateni kan ni ngai la ko ni e un kona ke baka na girme bi o mi to no me ban kire sen girme ndo tura ini ko ngaram dame ndo no relieve ke ona to patro e bi na so ke mo kila mer ni claro che ni so ya ko ona gitu bi no bi ko na 30 kan sa la ko ke expect ka na so ko de la ko bi correct bi ko ran ndo le bono na dambu ilo to singa to ni kila na ndre ni no tabaka sankara na relieve kina ndira din to mi karome me relieve ko da kitu sumi to ngabaka so ele bona ya ton ke da sangat nga so na vital no men da rendra sekio te kina non job ina
totoka yo mantanga ya santo na kan do no baka mamasu sarangango ke baka okilani ya na sawi ko to retiko ya tanga dono nga by right you have a conscience and the dokai keden in the tomata lotu the masutiko it is only fair nindo e mai sosomi taki como na saunga e kondo iko somi taki na dono me no nai
Don't sera don't sera. Lembra bi bakalam po di weekend lembra on da to sumir to bakala caregiver. We're not relievers. Mendar no mucho ko bina katara thing. So you got to train somebody. You got to trust somebody that they'll be doing the same work in you and keep your job security. So mi ko bina. What is so mo ikasom tiyo.
Dina saranga. Winaka pakalebo ke pakai tiko so na nomuni wakatataro so beka na wakasama ni via wasea mai me baleta na veitalanoa. Go senga ni go sakaroni ni veitalanoa ye senga ni kani dava e na tomani tiko na veitalanoa go me baleta go na longa niu levun dua to ke lau kena to na ngole mai merika go na caregiving. Kero sana mai dava tali tunga kena vio kan vinaka wakalewenik na ndau waka ngalala te kiumni mai moni mai vevu ke tiko nda mai veitalanoa taka tiko into na ulutangan bimbi na noto to itos oi vinaka waka nuni vinaka tiko ani na huli na mathango
Naka
ke mai veitalanoa tale